Amazing facts. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. A snail can sleep for 3 years. The fingerprints of a koala are so indistinguishable from humans that they have on occasion been confused at a crime scene. Slugs have 4 noses. Elephants are the only animal that can't jump. A rhinoceros' horn is made of hair.
Monarch butterflies undertake one of the most remarkable migrations in the animal kingdom, traveling thousands of miles from North America to central Mexico each year.
A cow gives nearly 200,000 glasses of milk in a lifetime. Bats always turn left when leaving a cave. Giraffes have no vocal cords. Kangaroos can't fart. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain.
Flamingos are not pink. They are born gray. Their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae contains a natural pink dye called canthaxanthin that makes their feathers pink. Otters hold hands while sleeping, so they don't float away from each other, and it's super cute. Hummingbirds are the only known birds that can also fly backwards. They often do this when retreating away from flowers. The pangolin is able to roll up into an armor-plated ball so lions can't eat them. If only this worked for poachers who simply pick them up when they roll into a ball.
These unique Arctic whales are known for their long, spiral tusks that can grow up to 10 feet in length. The function of the tusks is still a subject of scientific research. Chameleons have the ability to change the color of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, but they primarily do so for communication and not camouflage. Peregrine falcons are the fastest animals in the world, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour during their hunting stoops.
Octopuses have 3 hearts. Most octopuses have 3 hearts to pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. This helps them efficiently distribute oxygen and nutrients.
It is possible to hypnotize a frog by placing it on its back and gently stroking its stomach. It takes a sloth 2 weeks to digest its food. Nearly 3% of the ice in Antarctic glaciers is penguin urine. Around 50% of orangutans have fractured bones due to falling out of trees on a regular basis.
Elephants are known for their impressive memory. They can remember locations of water sources and food over long distances, and they even recognize other elephants they haven't seen in years. Sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur, providing them with excellent camouflage in the trees.
Honeybees can recognize human faces. Recent research has shown that honeybees have the ability to recognize and remember human faces. They can even remember and differentiate between different human faces.
Giraffes have incredibly long necks, but they have the same number of neck vertebrae 7 as most mammals, including humans. The difference in neck length is due to elongation of the individual vertebrae. Kangaroos are marsupials known for their powerful hind legs, which they use for hopping. They are also capable swimmers and can cover long distances in search of food and water. The platypus is a unique mammal that lays eggs. It's one of only 5 species of monotremes in the world, and it's native to Australia. Mantis shrimps have incredibly fast and powerful claws, which they use to smash through the shells of their prey. Their claws are so fast that they can break glass aquarium walls.